Paul here, and today we're going to be removing a mirror off a 2006 RX8. For this operation, you're going to need a few different tools. You're going to need a 10mm socket, a tiny screwdriver, and then a Phillips and Flathead. Taking the Phillips, there's going to be a screw in between the armrests, so you're going to have to remove that.
Another Phillips. Phillips in here. Side. The other ones are 10.
So it looks like this vehicle may have had its mirrors replaced at one point. For whatever reason, one side had 10s, this one has 8s. Alright, and that is how you remove passenger side mirror off a 2006 RX8. To attach your new one, just follow these steps in reverse. As always, we appreciate you watching these videos. If you have any comments, questions, or want to see various vehicles, leave them in the comment section below. Otherwise, like and subscribe, and see you next time.